Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Kartra account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you link or connect your Stripe account to your Kartra account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Stripe to your Kartra account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and processing payments through Kartra, you know that you have to connect a payment provider, and Stripe is a popular one to do that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Kartra account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Kartra account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link your Stripe account to your Kartra, here on the left side, you want to scroll down until you see integrations. All right, once you do that, you're going to see all of the integrations you can add into your Kartra. However, in order to connect your Stripe, scroll down until you see the Stripe logo, or you can simply click here into the search bar and then just type in Stripe. Okay, so here is the Stripe integration. Next, in order to link it to your Kartra, you want to click on these three dots and then click on New Integration. Okay, next you want to click on Connect with Stripe, this blue button. Okay, next Stripe opens up a browser and they're asking you to go ahead and log in to your Stripe. So you want to enter in the email address that you have associated with Stripe. So I'm going to do that and then click Submit. Okay, next Stripe is asking me to enter in my Stripe password here. So I'm going to enter that in off screen. Okay, next Stripe sent me a text message 6-digit code to confirm that it's me that's trying to link my Stripe with my Kartra account. So I'm going to enter that code in off screen. Okay, next you want to go ahead and confirm this is the Stripe account you want to connect to your Kartra. For me, that is. So I'm going to click on this blue connect button. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes and you're going to see this pop up, new payment gateway integration completed. So let me close this down. Okay, next it brings me back here to the integrations. You can see Stripe has a green check mark above it. So now I can go ahead and process payment in my Kartra account using my Stripe account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to integrate or link your Stripe account to your Kartra account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.